Install the mortise. Install the cylinder. Tighten the cylinder fixing screw. Adjust the handle direction of the front panel or move the screw. Adjust the handle direction according to the door opening direction and tighten the handle fixing screw. Test whether the handle operates smoothly and if there is any looseness. Adjust the orientation point. Install the front panel rubber pad. Attach the panel fixing screw sleeve and use pliers to tighten it securely. Install the spindle, paying attention to the spindle's locking point. Align and press down to install successfully. Install the front panel. Adjust the handle direction of the rear panel. Test whether the handle operates smoothly and if there is any looseness. Remove the battery case to locate the fixing screw hole of the rear panel. Install the rear panel rubber pad. Connect the wiring and hide it inside the door frame, being careful not to squeeze the wires. Install the rear panel and tighten the fixing screws. Test whether the rear handle can unlock normally. Install the batteries. Test whether the front panel can unlock normally. Install the battery cover. Installation completed.
Together we build the future.